Hey people, thank you for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Today we're making the Trader Joe's cauliflower pizza. This is just the crust. You get it from Trader Joe's. It's about $3.99 for each crust. The first time that I tried this, I was absolutely amazed because it does have a slight cauliflower flavor. But after you use whatever toppings that you're going to use, you can hardly taste the cauliflower. Like, it's like regular crust, just not as crunchy. So yeah, let's get started. So my skillet has been on for a minute or so. I'm going to use the Kerrygold Pure Irish salted butter to actually cook or brown my beef. To season the beef, I'm going to go in with this garlic sriracha powder from Weber. I'm also going to use some garlic powder, just a no-name brand. I believe it's from Aldi's. I'm also going to use some pepper and a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. So while this is browning in the skillet, the pizza crust is actually warming up in the oven. So when you first take the pizza crust out of the packaging, the side that is facing up, you want to flip that over and put it in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes to let it warm up. And then after those 12 to 15 minutes are over with, you want to take the pizza crust out and actually flip it over and put it back into the oven to warm up on the other side. So this doesn't take long at all. You brown your meat, or if you're even using meat, the biggest thing is to make sure that both sides of the pizza crust are thoroughly and evenly cooked. So the pasta sauce that I'm going to use is actually like a marinara sauce, but whatever. It's the Ragu Simply Chunky Garden Vegetable Sauce. I love the Ragu Simply sauces. Like, I have been using them for about 6 months now, and I haven't gone back to any other like pasta sauce. I use this for my pizzas. I use this for my little wraps, my pastas. If I do have pasta, which I haven't really been eating pasta since I'm trying to do like low carb, lifestyle or whatever. But I love this. You don't miss the sugar in this. This is sweet enough. It's made with olive oil and it's for a decent price. It's about $2 for each bottle. And they always have a coupon in the newspaper. If you ever check your newspaper, they always have a coupon for the Ragu Simply pasta sauce. The pepperoni I'm using is from Aldi's. It's the Mama Cozy. I think I'm saying it right. The Mama Cozy pepperoni pizza. You can use turkey pepperoni if you like, but I just use whatever I had in the house. I'm using fat-free cheese. I ran out of my other cheese that is not fat-free, but like I said, I'm using whatever I have in the house. I wasn't about to go out. It was like a snowstorm. So whatever I had, this was going to be it. I bought 3 of these pizza crusts just to keep in the house just for days like this. So I'm glad I went ahead and bought it because there was no traveling outside. Then I'm going to top the pizza with my ground beef. Add a little bit more sauce. I added some mushrooms and I popped it back into the oven, and this is the finished product.